Jason, thanks for showing me around. As always, Green Label RX is looking on point. The vertical game is on point.
Yes.
We've got the new Gavita LED. You know I couldn't come without showing you, so I give to you the 2400.
Woo! Big sexy. Look at this. Oh. So dope. It's nice. Wow. How do you lock it in this?
So look, a foldable unit.
Wow.
Everything I was telling you about.
It's one piece.
One piece.
Fire.
800 watts. 3,520 diodes. The most efficient unit at 3.0 micromoles per joule. And made in America, my dude. Made in America.
Sick.
In our assembly plant in Temecula, California.
Ooh, CA.
You're gonna be able to dim it down. This goes down to 10%. You're gonna be able to control multiple zones. We've got 2 channels, which allows for 256 lights per zone.
Wow, that's big.
EL3 controller with the new Gavita 2400.
That's exciting, dude.
You're set, bro.
Man, this is beautiful.
Yeah,
I can tell you right now, this is gonna be a blast. Look at it. I love it. It looks beefy. Obviously, it's 800 watts, I believe you said, right?
Yeah.
So we know it's gonna be way more intense. I'm excited. I'm curious to see what this thing does in the racking system. Man, what a pleasure. I'm super stoked. This is beautiful. I know it's gonna kill it for sure.